Hello children, let's begin with your fourth chapter, that is multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition of number with a fixed numbers. Okay, I'll repeat. Multiplication is a repeated addition of number with a fixed number of times. So now I will show you one example. This already you have studied in the previous years. Okay, see here, these are all trees. Okay, this how many trees? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Here how many trees? 1, 2, 3. So multiplication is the process of repeated addition with a fixed number. Fixed number means everywhere 3. If you will add this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many it will come? 9. So this is a bit long process. If you want to do easy way of multiplication, what you have to do is repeated addition. 3. Everywhere 3 it is. Okay, you have to take 3. How many times there are 3? 1, 2 and 3. 3 into 3. That is equal to how much? 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Are you understanding this? See here. I'll repeat once again. This 3, 3, 3. If you will add this 3 plus 3 plus 3. So repeatedly you are adding the same number. How much you will get? You will get it as 9. But in the multiplication, what you will do? The 3 number with multiply the same number with how many times? How many times it is repeating? 3 is repeating how many times? 3 times. So you will get the answer as 9. So one more example I will show you here. See here. See, these are the flowers. How many flowers are there here? 2. 2. So 2. So what I have told you now? The number should be multiplied by how many times it is repeating. See, 2 is repeating how many times? 1, 2 and 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. If you will add this 3, then also you will get the answer as 6. But it is a long process. So the number, how many times repeating, you have to multiply. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. This already you have studied in the previous year. So now I will show you some example which is given in the textbook. See. Fill the boxes. First one it is 7 into 4. What the 7 fours are? 28. Okay. And one more is 10 into 7. 10 sevens are 70. Okay. This everything you have studied in the previous classes. One more is there now. This is 1. The second one is multiply the following. Here is a 10 and 1s, 6 and 7. You have to multiply this. What? 7 6 are 42. And the next one, 23 into 2. See, this is 10 ones. You have to first do ones place. 3 2s are 6. Next is 2 2s are 4. First you have to do this 2 with ones place. 2 3s are 6. And after that tens place. 2 2s are 4. The next one more I will show you. 2 3 1 into multiply by 3. What we'll get? First we have to do ones place, tens place and 100 place. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. Okay. So the next is what? We have to find the product of this following. Okay. This is the first one now. 24 into 3. So see here, 3 4s are. First we have to, this 3 should be multiplied with 1's place. 3 4s are 12. 1 we have taken carry. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Here see, 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. So the carry should be added with last place. That is 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. The answer is 3 1 2. Here it is. One more easy way I will tell you what the meaning of this is. See here, if I am multiplying 3 with 4, what it is? The 3 number, how many times it is repeating? 4 times it is repeating. What the multiplication means is 3 number is repeating how many times? 4 times. Means there are 3 chocolates, okay, or there are 3 bags, okay. Each row has 3 bags. How many times? 4 times. This is 1. This is 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, how many times it is repeating? The 3 numbers are repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what we call it as 3 into 4. So now this is the multiplication fact. See here, in the multiplication, what the number we will multiply, this is called as multiplicand, and the from which we are multiplying, that is called multiplier. And this is what the answer, whatever we will get after multiplying, what the answer will get, this we call it as product. So in the multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number is called multiplicand. The number which by we will multiply is called multiplier. Okay. Then what do we answer we will get? This we call it as product. So now some are the properties of multiplication now. See, some are the properties. Some properties are there in the multiplication. We will see that, okay. There are 3 properties, okay. What the first one is, any number multiplied by 0, we'll get the answer as 0. Whatever the number it may be. If we multiply with a 0, what we will get? We'll get the answer as 0. For some example, if see, we are multiplying with 3 with 0. What we will get? Answer as 0. Okay. This is the first property. What is the first property? Any number multiplied by 0, we'll get the answer as 0 only. Whatever, how much? It is a big number. It may be a 1000 into 0. What we will get the answer as 0. If it is, the number is multiplied by 0, we'll get it as a 0. What is the second properties? Okay. Any number multiplied by 1, we'll get the answer itself only. See, example, like if I am multiplying 16 into 1, if the number itself only the answer 16. 16 on the 16. Okay. The third property is what? The product of number remains the same even after changing their orders. Okay. See here, the third one example I will show. 4 into 5. This is equal equal to 5 into 4. I am changing the order. First number is 4. 4 into 5 also equal to same as 5 into 4. How I will show you here now. See here. 4 into 5. How much? 5 4s are 20. If I multiply 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Okay. 4 5s are 20. Both the answer will get same. So what is the third property is the product of numbers. The product of numbers. Product means what the answer will get. So the product of numbers will remain same after changing their orders. See, order means 4 into 5, 5 into 4. Vice versa. If we are multiplying with a number, if we have done a vice versa. See, 4 into 5, 5 into 4. We will get the same answer as 20 only. So the product will remain same. There are how many properties are there? There are 3 properties. First one is what? Any number multiplied by 0 will get the answer as 0. Any number multiplied by 1 will get the product as same number itself only. The third property is the product of number, the product of two numbers will remain same after changing the orders of numbers. Okay. See one more example here. I will read the question. Okay. There are 53 boxes of pastries. Okay. If each box has 4 pastries, how many pastries are in all the boxes? See what it is. There are 53 boxes. What we have to write is 53 boxes. Each box contains how many pastries? Each box contains 4 pastries. Multiply by 4. See how many, if they'll ask how many pastries are in all the boxes. So what we have to do is 53 multiply by 4. See 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. There are how many pastries in all the boxes? 212 pastries are in all the boxes.